guys, I am back with another hair tutorial. I did a nice, sleek, smooth ponytail. It has more of a natural lay back with a braid, honey. Yes. The nice sleek and it's all black and gelled up. That's pretty too. You could land a airplane on some of these people's hair like a tarmac. I use Rastafri brand, as you can see here, and it's their Amazon 3x braids. So you can see there are 3 bundles in the pack, and it's pre-stretched. But sometimes with us, we say, oh, I have black hair, so let me just get the one. Sometimes the sheen of the one doesn't really match your hair. I got it too, and that works for me. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. Stay tuned for this tutorial.
Okay, so you see me straightening my hair. I'm just doing a light press. I'm only doing 1 pass, and I'm chasing it with my Denman brush just to get it a little bit smoother when I go in and lay my hair in the ponytail. And whew, okay, I'm done. I don't know about y'all, but middle parts are out here winning.
So let me just go ahead and flat iron this just a little bit more. I'm gonna take a thinner piece and just.
So instead of getting all of my hair silky smooth, I decided I could just do the area around the part. So I did both sides of the part and then the top that will lay over the back. And look, no one will even know what's underneath. Next, I'm going in with the soft side of the brush, just laying it down flat and also raking through with the Denman brush. Now you see me applying Murray's Superior hair dressing pomade to make sure it lays flat. And I know some people go in section by section laying the product, but I'm not doing that, not going through that. So after I apply the product, I just brush it down with the Denman brush again, smooth it into a ponytail, get it as flat as possible, and just get in the ponytail.
Looking good. So let's do the braid. Let's move to the back. So what I did is just divided my hair evenly with the braiding hair. Get 3 even sections. Put in a little Murray's too to help my hair blend in. Okay. And I could already feel one section is a little bit bigger, so I'm just gonna steal some hair from one section, just about that much hair, and then bring it to the middle. You see? You want to keep on making sure you're smoothing out the hair. Tell me why this looks like it's growing out of my head. Like, this is my hair. To finish the look, I just took a little bit of the hair.
And you're just going to wrap it around, honey. Just keep on wrapping it until you get to the end. And you can wrap it on top of itself and it'll stay. It'll be fine. And then just stick a little pin to secure it. Cut off any extra.
So I tried this product, Diamond Edges, for the first time, and it worked really well. It says Black Panther strong. It lived up to it, so y'all should give it a try.
Okay, Wakanda forever. Advanced technology on the B2Bs.
Last step to make sure that this really sticks is get your Got2Be glue gel, and I'm going to spray it down really quick and then put a scarf on it.
I sprayed that Got2Be gel so quick so I could lay down my hair before it reverts back. Y'all know how it is. After that, I went to bed and woke up to the finished look.
Good old Murray's, okay? my hair used to be pressed out with this, the Murray's, or did y'all use the Murray's or the Crown? Yeah, that's what my hair used to be fried, dyed, and laid to the side with.